that out, you will play as other characters and fight for their team instead. In this one, you are Big Daddy. When it says wait, then wait. Okay. Good luck, General, and you too, Sergeant Timmy. Timmy! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, get away! Get away! Human shield! These are my human shield! Oh shit! Oh, both, goddamn. They're still working! It's the heads are popped off. What is that? Ew! Oh, so going forward. Oh shit! Oh ship! You saw those shippers? Oh! Oh no! I win. Let me win! Goddamn! Whew. Oh goddamn! I already died in midair. Warning! More power attack. Spawn those troops. Oh shit! You guys heard that? Did you guys hear that? I heard that. I heard that. That was a weird noise. She thought it. Because I died. God damn it. Come on. Oh shit. Go, 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 go. Damn, I human shields for that grenade. Oh, it wasn't mine. Oh my god, it's the foot. The fuck? Ew, that's nasty. Ah! Oh, break, get away, get away. God damn it, go. Fighting against those legs, those ugly legs. God damn it, go. God damn it, go. Fucking arms too. What the fuck? Oh! Come on. Fuck. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go far. Oh shit! What did I press? I pressed control. Fuck that. What the fuck? At least I stop that. Oh shit. Okay, thanks. Oh, go. I don't want those legs. I don't want the legs following me. Go. Oh shit, grenade! I'm still alive. Haha. Still alive. Fuck you. I'm still alive. Little boy! Why do you have a shotgun? You killed him, man. Little boy! Come here! Little boy! Die! Ha! Ow! That's what you get, little boy, for killing other people. I killed him, sir. Ooh, a ramp. Grenades. Shit. Ah! God damn it. Just stay here. Defense. Go. I want the legs. I don't want the legs. No, I did this again. They're taking me with them. Get away. Oh, I'm free. Let me go. Up there. Go. God damn it. I made it. Hi. You killed yourself. Grenade. Oh shit! Overpowered. God damn. That little boy has some type of... God, that little boy, dude. He has a weapon. He has a weird weapon, a little boy. I'm gonna kill that little boy because of this weapon. Oh, what is it the fuck do I have it on? Ah, he died. Grenade! Just shoot the fucking grenade when I'm not there. Shoot it. Throw the fucking grenade. Ah! Run! Run! Shit, wait. Last time I didn't wait. And come on, let me kill that little boy. He deserves to die. Come on. No, he deserves to die. Oh, god damn it. And I died from him. Shit. Mine! God damn. God damn it. Oh, take it away! Get away! Damn it. And in the future, guys, I'm gonna have Minecraft. Oh shit! God damn it. Yeah, in the future when I have enough money, I'm gonna buy Minecraft because I can see your excitement, guys. At least you can see something forward to, something like that. God damn it, inside! Come here! Inside! The party part's inside! Get away! Jump off it! Why are they going over there? Why are they following me? Why are they following me? Yeah, you shot your face. You shot your own face. Grenade. Okay. Wait. Got 10 too much ready. Yeah, got hit in the face, man. You got exploded. God damn it. God damn it. Why is it crazy? You're too crazy. The bike. Oh shit. Okay, got it. Oh, good the head. So, shit. Yeah, I'm gonna play some Minecraft. It's gonna be awesome, but I'm gonna play on another computer, not on my laptop, on a computer, because I don't think my computer. No, yeah, my laptop. I don't think my laptop has the memory for Minecraft, and it's gonna be laggy too if I play it on my computer. So just shit. Oh, just go. Fuck it. Oh shit! That was so close. Go! Haha, I'm into the other side. So I'm gonna end it here, guys. If you're having a bad day, I'm wishing you a good day. If you're having a bad day, I try to make your day more happy. And yeah, so in the future, guys, I'm gonna play some Minecraft because right now the only games I could play is like free games because I don't have money. And yeah, and I don't know what else I could say. So yeah, rate and subscribe, guys, if you guys like my videos, and if you wanna be part of the and you could follow me on Twitter. The link will be in the description below. I said that in the beginning.